Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Tech Beauty. Today I want to show you how to use satin to tie quick head wrap with rubber band. I want to use this satin because this is what I call requested for. Many people ask me, they come to my DM, WhatsApp, Deg, how can I use satin? Can I use satin? No, this rubber band, not the ring. So you see the way I fold the rubber band, I can't divide that into 30, 70. This material, this satin, you will first fold and you have to fold it so that the texture will be more thicker when you start using it. Okay, that thing I have there is rubber band. And I will tell you, in case you want to use rubber band anytime, go for the color of the satin, go for the color of the fabric, because this particular style is what is trendy now. If you want to achieve head wrap, use rubber band. Is very easy. So what I do, I create one flower, then I take from the longer part, I take another flower again. That's the way it did my hand. So that is what I'm calling flower. Now I create two flower. So the shorter part, which is the 30, the other side is the 70. You will place it on your head now, my people. So focus your eye on my hand, because this style I have used ashoke, I have used sego gele, I have used akara. So somebody asked me, can I use satin? I say, why not? You can use satin. So when another person asks me the same question, I say, let me go to my garage. Let me go and bring out I have some satin material there, so that I will use it to demonstrate it to my people to know that you can use it. So the 30, you take it round, then you come and open the longer part, tucking the 30 inside that long part. Please focus your eye for what is going on there, because if you don't focus your eye, you know if you understand. Okay, my people. So you continue, you twist. It's very easy. You twist it to the front. This same style I have it on my YouTube channel, the explanation YouTube. I know say I get to YouTube with chronic explanation. I have two YouTube. In the other of my YouTube name Tech Beauty Life. In case you want to know more explanation of my tutorial, come and be joining me on live on YouTube. We always do live stream there. So that thing I have there is pin. I just use pin to secure that particular place after you twist them. So in case you don't want to bring the stick to the front side, you can just use it to around that back side there and use pin. So the back side, cover it and use pin, my people. It's very easy to achieve. In case you don't like this style, I have many styles for my YouTube, more than 500 videos. Go and rock. I have simple style, difficult style. I have different type of style, and you can achieve it for someone as well. Book me for your event. I base here in United Kingdom, London. Now London I dey stay. Many people they ask me say, now UK, now be United Kingdom. Now I say yes, now UK. So now I dey stay UK inside London. So, but I'm available to travel anywhere. Book me for your events. We are into makeup, gele. We dey do okuku, traditional Edo bride, and we dey do traditional bride for all tribe as well. Send me picture. I go deliver them to you the way you want them. This is the final. Tomorrow is church, so practice something. So that this is what we call operation. Do it yourself. Don't be left out. You are the only one who did nursery school. We not a bit tie gele by yourself. Okay. So see you on my next video. Please leave your comments down below. Like, let me put my music and rock my music. We do photo shoot as well. Bye bye.
Now ladies and gentlemen, for those persons that think that Tech Beauty is only specializing in makeup and now let me shock you. We in Tech Beauty studio, we are also specializing in traditional bridal hairstyle, makeup products. We also produce oil perfumes. We have a professional photo shoot studio where you can do your professional photo shoot and also do some creative artworks. Now let me bust your brain and bust